Vacations, did we just call you?
Why are you here?
Huh?
Vacations, how can I help you?
I mean you no harm.
Ew. Vacations, we just call you?
Why are you here?
Excuse me?
I mean you no harm.
Hello?
Why are you here?
What?
I mean you no harm.
Stop fucking prank calling, get a fucking life. Vacations, can I help you?
Why are you here?
Sir?
I mean you no harm. Patience.
Hello?
Control. You must learn control.
Okay, let me have your area code and phone number.
A Jedi strength flows from the Force. Beware of the dark side.
Vacations, did we just skip your call?
Why are you here?
Huh?
Yes.
I can't hear you. All right, call me back from another phone.
Vacations, did we just call you?
Yes.
All right, sir, can I have your name and phone number, please?
Why are you here?
Huh?
I mean you no harm.
Excuse me, I cannot hear you.
I am wondering, why are you here?
Why am I here?
Yes.
Because why are you here?
I mean you no harm.
Okay, please find a better time and a better day to do something with that. Thank you.
Wars not make one great.